Where'd you put the paper cutter?
Put it back. Here, give me the other two. I wish you'd done this last night.
There's the athlete resting for his day. It was upside down. Much better. Prospero, are you geared up for this?
Big walk, Prospero.
Are you
dog.
psyching up for this?
Big parade. Poor Cersei.
Yes, poor Cersei.
Poor girl. Poor Cersei.
She looks so miserable.
She does?
No.
That look
Good
alright?
boy. Prospero?
Oh, these go into the wagon.
Prospero?
Could you stick those in the wagon?
Prospero,
Don't let Zeppo
sit.
eat them.
Prospero, sit.
Honey?
Good boy.
Oh, you got it on Prospero already. Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, Prospero, you're so good. You're just a good boy. Okay, wish us luck.
Luck.
Good luck.
Well, we can walk you over there.
Okay.
Are they going to let us stay parked here for that time?
Walking in the parade.
I thought Prospero was actually pulling this wagon.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then it would like fly, God knows where, tip over. Now, Cersei, she could pull the wagon, but it's just so hot.
Not as bad as I thought. Humidity's lower than
Oh yeah, it's much better than yesterday.
All right, now, so Lisa, where are we meeting you guys at the end of all this?
Justin knows, down by Johnny's Food. That's by my old neighbor, our old
No.
Calm down.
You got your phone?
I got my phone. Glad you guys could make it. Looking good. There's cake. Did we sing happy birthday? Yeah. Happy birthday, Lottie. Sorry I missed it.
Whose birthday?
Happy birthday.
He's in front of the pipe and drum. Yep. Chloe, you want some cake? Make a little cake.
Oh, did you think about bringing him? Doesn't he still snap at strangers?
Yeah, he does.
Probably not the best.